Hey guys, what's going on? Tater here with the raceshop.com here in Eldon Mo. Getting ready to do a walk around video before we do the drive video on this 2001 convertible Corvette Roadster. It has a 5.7 liter, which is a 350, 6-speed manual transmission. Very nice. We'll just do a quick walk around. Old paint job's in pretty good shape. It's got a few little dings and scratches, but nothing major at all. You'd have to look hard to see. This thing is all factory original. And we'll have underneath pics of it, and we'll have a lot of still pics. Once I do the drive video, we will have still pics up in the air and in the showroom to show you a little more of details. This is just a walk around real quick, kind of give you an idea on how nice it is. I think it only has 82 or 83,000 miles on it, original. Top's in good shape, black cloth. Tires are probably 60%, maybe a little more. And I'll do some close-up pics. Comes with a custom car cover, a whole book of everything done to this car, all the maintenance, which is good. This thing sounds good too. Very nice car, silver, black interior. Anything you need to find out about this will be on our website at theraceshop.com in Eldon Mo. Go to our inventory, click on this car, you see all the drive videos, the walk around videos, and all the information about it. I'll be right back in about 2 seconds with the drive video.